Well, hey guys, welcome back. I've been cleaning up back here a little bit. Been hauling in some scrap. But today is about just more or less documenting this vehicle right here. This vehicle's been sitting here for about a year. I brought it over. I hauled it here because the owner, which you've seen this thing on the channel before, the owner wanted me to fix a brake line. Pretty simple, pretty cheap. But then he quit his job and I didn't start on it because I figured I wasn't going to get paid. There's really not much wrong with it besides that. Well, I asked him if he was going to do something with this thing or if I should just haul it in for scrap. He said, don't fix it. Somebody's going to come get it. Well, it's been going on just about 2 weeks now, so I'm going to haul it back to his place and dump it off. I don't need this thing here. He said not to fix it. I'm getting it out of here. Doesn't really surprise me that he doesn't want it fixed. He's got about a dozen of these Chevys sitting in his yard. Probably very little wrong with them. This thing right here, I had just put brand new tires on this. I bet there isn't 20,000 miles on these things. And this thing is just gonna sit and rot away at his place. It's a shame. I could have used them. But they're not mine. He actually paid me for most of the tires. There's a little bit that I settled on for. So, but I gave him, I gave him a price and he agreed to it, paid me. So they're just gonna rot away next to his other Chevys. I'm not some kind of a heathen. I'm gonna at least pump that tire up. Yeah, I know it's gonna go flat again and destroy it, but at least it'll be pumped up when it leaves my possession. Your phone just has to go off all the time, doesn't it?
Yours always goes off.
I ain't even got mine on me.
Yeah, but it's usually you.
Well,
You're the important one. I'm surprised this pile didn't snap in half when you lifted it up with the skid steer.
well, it might yet. I don't know. that wet spot right there? That's what's wrong with it. Got her all chained down, ready to go. Take her home where it's gonna rest with its friends. Hey there, fellers. I'm bringing your friend home. For a vehicle that supposedly doesn't have any brakes, it doesn't want to move. I think we're gonna have to winch it off.
Okay. Are you chasing colors?
Got the winch all hooked up. And yes, the winch can pull vehicles off of a trailer.
It's all going on one side.
I see that. So I said hold on.
That's why I stopped.
So I said hold on.
I stopped before you said it.
I like to keep my winch wound up nice as possible. One more Chevy to never see the highway again. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and God bless. Look, there's a whole herd of them back there. Do Chevys make any noise when they rust if nobody's around to hear them? You wanna run them?